A very good evening to all of you, and we are live again on the official Instagram page of Lovely Professional University. My name is Sachin Sidra, and I am going to be your host for today evening. Now, before I start and talk about my guest and my show and everything else, let me just ask you, how are you people doing today? कैसे हैं सब लोग? Oh my God. So I have questions coming up on the very first thing. My God, that's really nice. And thank you for the hellos and highs. Namaste, adab, sasrikal, and khushamadi, ji ayanu to everyone. And really, it is a very, very nice thing indeed to see all of you joining in such great numbers, such great fervor being shown. And thank you so much. For all those who are questioning me about when the university is going to open the gates for the Virtuos again, of course, yes, we all are very anxious for it. But for Virtuos, we have a portal called UMS, the University Management System. We would request you to keep checking the updates over there, and you will get to know when it's opening. Oh yes, trust me, I am really happy that the Virtuos, even after this long of a break, or the Virtuos who have joined the university during the pandemic, are so anxious to come to the university and see the campus. Trust me, I miss the campus myself. And yes, thank you so much. I am doing really fine. Thank you so much for asking. I'm really happy you guys are here. And what can I say? Yes, I'm laughing because of one of the reply. We are checking it from the last 1 year. Trust me, I am doing the same thing. But you know, as much as we, the part of the university who is there to handle you people, is anxious to have you there, we ourselves are also anxious to be back into the university and working in the old normal again. But you know, on a lighter note, I think this virus, it has more variety than any particular store on the internet. Boy oh boy, the variety this has. Don't you think? How many of you think that this virus has more variety than any other FMCG chain in the world? Am I right? Well, yes. And yes, we are also hoping that it opens very soon. Thank you so much. I've been reading your comments, and well, I am not a rumor person. Trust me on that. I believe on confirmed information, and I know I've already shared the place where you'll get the confirmed information. Yeah, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, lambda, whatever is coming up. So it's really unpredictable now. And I would say that it just shows the level of attachment that you Virtuos have with the university, and we really thank you with folded hands for the love, for the affection, and the kind of connection that you people have with us, even after many of us, we haven't just met personally these days. We have just come up and we have met with each other only on the virtual class platform, and I'm really happy and excited to be knowing such good energetic people, such positive vibes all around me because of all of you. So it's thank you so much once again for being here. And yes, now without keeping you people in further suspense, let me just divulge who's our guest today. Our guest today is Isha Agarwal. She's an Indian model, aspiring actor, and she is a person who has achieved a lot of feats in her life. Let me just list some of her achievements here. She is Miss India Exquisite in the year 2015 at USA, Baltimore. She has also won the title of Miss India International 2017 at Thailand. She has also been Global International Princess 2017 at Russia at Moscow. She's been the Miss Beauty Top of the World 2019 at Europe, Latvia, and she's currently an actress, and she's been playing roles in many Telugu and Tamil movies. Her upcoming project as a lead actress is a Marathi movie called Zolzal, and her upcoming project is also another language is Back to School, the movie. So, without further ado, we might expect her to be here in some time. Till then, I am. Yeah, you don't need to Google search. It's just that you guys have to search Isha with a double ESHA Agarwal on Instagram. You'll find her here on Instagram. She has a wonderful page, and not just that. She has many useful things that she has posted on her page as well. So not just she's an actress, but or a model, she is a very responsible netizen also. So yes, we are going to be in the vicinity of Miss Isha Agarwal in a while, and it's really nice for all of you to be here, and I would request you to be here because she's not just going to share her experiences today. We are also going to have her sharing her journey with us. Along with that, we'll have her sharing her struggles, how the victory is achieved, and it's always, we always see the good picture, someone wearing a crown, because she has a same DP on her Instagram with a crown on her head. So we all see that crown, but we don't see the hard work that goes behind wearing that crown, because clicking a picture wearing a crown is pretty easy, but reaching that crown is very important, right? Okay, so I see a lot of requests, by the voters saying reopen, reopen, reopen. It's just like they are doing reopen, reopen, reopen. Of course, I would also join you in that thing, but the fact of the matter is, I've already told you, I cannot answer that question. You know where the question will be answered for you people. So please keep checking in on that portal called the UMS, the backbone of our university. And as an assistant professor at the Department of Soft Skills at Lovely Professional University, I can say I'm proud that we have such a system where we keep getting all important information at one place, right? So with that, and without further ado, I would just like to add Isha ma'am to this one, and I'm going to send her a request. I'm going to get her here in a while for us. Till then, yes, you can tell me, how is your time away from the university going? Please tell me. How is your time away from the university going, Bertos? All right. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, Sachin. Am I audible?
Yes, you're very clearly audible. Thank you so much for joining right on time, and we are really delighted to have you here. And
Yes.
I must say, मैं अपने बॉटल्स से अभी बात कर रहा था कि you've won so many honors for the country, and you've had so many titles with you. So they were all excited. They were saying that yes, we are excited, and we would like to hear her story to reach those milestones. So I am not going to make them wait further. I've already given them the introduction that of the titles that you have had and the things that you are currently doing. So my first question goes to you. Tell me, how did this happen? Passion या कोई inspiration या कोई role model जिसकी वजह से आज आप यहाँ इस राह पर चल पड़ी है?
Hello, Sachin. Thank you for such warm welcome. I am also excited to be, part of this session today. And it's not just passion. It's all of the things you mentioned. I have grown up watching Aishwarya Rai and Madhuri Dixit, Lara Datta. So yeah, they inspire me a lot. And since my school times and college time, I always was very active in curriculum activities, annual functions, dance or sports, anything. I was head girl of my school. and I was the group captain and everything. So yeah, since childhood I have been very motivated and I wanted to do something in this. So my journey started with pageant training,
Mm-hmm.
and my first pageant was in Delhi. There I won and represented in USA, Baltimore. And since then,
Okay.
yeah, that was the start of my journey in
So,
2015.
so since 2015, it's almost we are on the sliding side of 2021 now. Um, Tell me, how many ups and downs or how many thicks and thins have you seen in this journey of 6 years, almost 6 years now?
Yeah, it's not been an easy journey. It's like a roller coaster ride because initially my parents were not supportive, but once I won in Delhi, and then they realized no, this every field has their pros and cons. Every field has their
Hmm.
also positive sides. So yeah, it's not been easy. I have to work on myself a lot. I have to keep, bringing out the best version of myself. So yeah, I've seen a lot of struggles.
All right. So, I just would take a question from one of your statements. You said my parents were not initially supportive, and yes, that is a common practice in India. Everyone wants a woman from India to win a Miss Universe or a pageant title and bring honors to the or laurels to the country, but they don't want that woman to be from their house. So how do you think that this thing has it changed a little over the period of time? जब से आपने शुरू किया था from the time you started 2015 till date, do you find this changing in the change in mentality in the grassroots section or the middle class or the normal people section, or is it the same?
See, coming from a Agarwal community, Marwadi community, our families, our community always want our daughters to study and then they get married and then do whatever they want after marriage. But then my parents were not supportive initially, but my sister was always, there for me, supporting me.
Hmm.
So I wasn't aware of this field much. I just wanted to do something into modeling or acting or something. But I realized that I need training for modeling and pageant. So since then I've realized you have to work on yourself. वो डायलॉग बहुत सही है जो थ्री इडियट्स में है ना, खुद को काबिल बनाते रहो बस, कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो. So I never thought of being very successful, or I just worked on myself कि मैं how I should be able to do well in this field. So that's how I have represented India in USA. Second
Hmm.
was in Thailand, third was in Russia, Moscow, and recently in 2019 I represented my country in Latvia, Europe, Mr. Beauty
Hmm.
Top of the World.
Yes, you have. And indeed, you have brought a lot of laurels to the country. And asking you about that, ki when you're representing an entire nation, what are the responsibilities or what are the pressures that you feel on yourself?
You are carrying not just the responsibility but also the culture, the traditions, the custom on your shoulders. You have to represent not just the body and face but also what uh, results you have, what qualities you imbibe in you, that you are representing a country. So people see
Hmm.
you as, okay, she's from India, okay, let's see what she has in her, you know so they also see a lot of qualities, what's inside us, that really matters in any pageant. Not just the beauty, body, height. They see overall everything, your overall personality, how you behave with others, how you conduct yourself, in the presence of others or with the elders or who are younger to you. So this everything is
Hmm.
noticed. So it's a big responsibility whenever you are on an international platform. Yes.
So let me just ask you, like we in India, we have certain perceptions or certain kind of notions about people from the United States or the Great Britain or somewhere. So when you go outside and you say that I'm representing India, do you find that perception or preconceived notions about India from the other people? What do you get some regular type of questions that they ask you that when you tell I'm from India or I'm representing India?
Yeah, there are some preconceived notions like Indians eat a lot of spice, or Indians, they live with their parents, or Indians do this and that. But then we are here to bring change in our society, to bring change internationally. No, Indians can do everything. Indians can, be very able to win internationally. So yeah, we are
Hmm.
here to change the conceptions about Indians, in general. So yeah, they find I have so many friends internationally. They really like me as a person, that I'm very,
Hmm.
humble and all. So yeah, we can bring the change.
Okay. So tell me, there would be many things, as you said, you had to work on yourself a lot. So tell me, if you had to give someone a starter's advice to get into the field of modeling and pursue their career as a model, what would be the things that you would tell them that initially you should start working on this, and then further on step two, step three would be this? How would you guide them?
See, modeling or pageant or acting is not just about your body or your looks or your height or your figure. It's all about how comfortable you are in your skin. You are with yourself, how you carry yourself, whatever size you are, whatever looks you carry, whatever God has given you, how you carry that with you, how you want that, you know, that what potential you have, how you want to represent that on a particular platform. So it's not just about looks, it's about, what you have inside. You have to be, you know do that with confidence and grace.
So it's all about overall persona, not just the exterior packaging, and you have to
Yes,
work on that. Okay.
yes.
So, guys, Virtuos, you have just heard from one professional from the industry, and let me just reiterate here, because we tell our Virtuos the same thing, that it's your inner essence that proves your worth to people around you. No matter if you're an engineer, you are a fashion designer, or you are a person from law, it's your inner essence is the main deal. So
Very
you
true.
have it from the professionals in herself, that she said the same thing, and start building your inner self, people. That's very important. Talking of inner self, the base of a lot of people's inner personality was shaken when pandemic happened and everybody was locked inside the house. घर में locked, कहीं नहीं जा सकते, just getting groceries, eating, cooking, and staying in the house had a lot of people getting a lot of mental pressure. How did you keep yourself productive during this time?
Okay, the first lockdown was, everybody enjoyed it. Everybody were cooking and spend time with quality time with family. Well, I have discovered an painter in myself. I've started
Hmm.
painting, and yeah, I I have discovered that there is a painter in me. Yeah, like this lockdown has taught so much, to every one of us. Don't we? Had learned so much. So it was good.
Definitely.
Yeah, it was a good experience. Eye opener, I would say. The first lockdown.
Yes, definitely. So I was just going through your feed on Instagram. I think yesterday evening and even today morning, but I didn't see any paintings. You haven't posted.
You
Why
have to
why don't you
scroll
share a
down
piece of
more.
art?
My last painting was a blue bird, which was clicked by Nat Geo. It was a
Okay.
beautiful click, a bird in snow, blue bird in a snow, resting on a branch. You should see
All
it.
right. I will definitely do that. So you have a guys, you have a thing to see in her feed now. The bluebird in the snow painting that she has painted, and that's on her feed. So that's a way that I'm just promoting your profile so that you add more followers and your fan following increases, and gradually people start looking into smaller things. That it's what happens is, what I feel. This is my personal feeling as well, that when we look at models, actors, we have a very big perceived notion that these people are only into acting. They'll show about their looks and all, but there is always another side to personality, and that's why I asked you the question. Ki, how did you stay productive? Because shoots were closed, everything was out, and we were all in the houses. So good. Thank you so much for telling that you have a painter in you. and we'll be looking forward to seeing more paintings coming from
Yeah,
you.
sure.
Okay.
Now the shoots are started. I don't get time to paint. But yeah, even I had these notions about actors that they must be snobbish or, something. But no, there are so many people who are very down to earth. And I am very, blessed that I have those, my sanskar जो parents ने दिए हैं. That keeps me grounded. That keeps me rooted. And ego is such a bad thing. Nobody should carry ego.
Definitely, definitely. Ego is like weight. आपके ऊपर और weight add हो जाता है. So
एग्जैक्टली मैंने एक कहावत सुनी थी, ईगो ऐसा पत्थर है गले में जो ना उड़ने देता है ना डूबने देता है, नहीं जो डुबा देता है, ना तैरने देता है ना उड़ने देता है.
बिल्कुल सही आपने कहा कि ये ना तैरने देता है ना उड़ने देता है, बस डुबाने का काम करता है और कुछ नहीं करता है. So that's very nice. And on that thought, I would just ask you, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल हो जाता हूँ यहाँ पर, कि what are the differences that you see in an indoor shoot and an outdoor shoot? And you know, पैंडेमिक के पहले और पैंडेमिक के बाद अगर कंपेयर करें तो शूट्स में क्या क्या डिफरेंस या क्या ऐसे हमें.
Definitely, shoots have taken a little backseat in this pandemic because now gradually the shoots are started with new government guidelines and lots of precautions. But yeah, shoots have taken backseat. But then again, indoor shoots and outdoor shoots में difference ये होता है कि indoor shoots में लाइटिंग का मसला नहीं होता है, लाइटिंग एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. आउटडोर शूट्स में यू हैव टू बी ऑन टाइम टू गेट द सीन्स डन इन दैट लाइट. या कियोस तो शूट्स में होता ही है. कियोस इज द इसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ एनी शूट. सो या एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड. Shoots are planned kiosks.
Yeah, there is a nice saying to that. One of my friends, he's a Mumbaikar, तो वो एक चीज बोलता है बार बार, कहता है shoots are methodical madness. So
Yeah, very true.
so he's also related to film industry some way. So he told me this thing, and मैं हमेशा उसको पूछता था ऐसा क्यों बोलता है, कहता है जिस दिन तू आएगा तुझे पता चलेगा. So I'm also looking forward. I get to see one of the shoots someday. But that's really nice and a simple way to put it. Now, speaking of madness, speaking of chaos, speaking of hectic schedules, how do you manage to keep yourself energetic, fit, and ready to go and take up any challenges with all these things happening around? Because कभी late night होता है, कभी early morning होता है, कभी ये scorching heat में आप shoot कर रहे हैं, sometimes you're shooting in -degree temperatures. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे अलग अलग चीजें एक्टर्स के साथ होती है. So how do you think one has to handle, and how do you handle yourself in particular when things like these happen to you?
To be physically fit, you need adequate sleep, good clean food, and exercise. Very important, these three things. And mentally, to keep yourself fit, you need to have that positive attitude कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो हुआ था अच्छा हुआ. अगर वो नहीं होता तो शायद मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होता. इट्स लाइक दैट. वो हुआ इसलिए मुझे ये लेसन मिला, वरना ये लेसन कहाँ से मिलता. तो टेक एवरीथिंग इन पॉजिटिव स्ट्राइड्स. एंड शूट्स जो भी होते हैं, आई रिमेम्बर जो मेरी तेलुगु मूवी मैंने की थी, अर्ली मॉर्निंग शूट्स होते थे, नींद नहीं होती थी, तो आई हैव टू स्लीप. दोपहर तक सोना पड़ता था, तो थोड़ा सा आता है बॉडी पे, बट देन यू रिकवर. इफ यू आर regular in your workout and eating clean and you're taking good sleep, then you bounce back.
Okay, so talking of eating clean, tell me one thing or one rule of eating clean that you always follow, कि no matter what, ये तो होगा ही होगा. That's my basic of eating clean.
I was also working as a freelance nutritionist. I'm a nutritionist myself.
Oh.
See, I have done my PGDBM from Symbiosis. I've done MBA from Symbiosis, event management from NIBM. So basically, I've come to Pune and dietetics, nutrition and dietetics in health and nutrition. I've done from VLCC. So basically, Pune आई थी पढ़ने, and then I really was into modeling and acting. That's my passion. So I really pursued my passion. तो बात आती है जब ईटिंग क्लीन की, तब ये मैंने रूल फॉलो किया है कि 7 के पहले डिनर कर लो एंड लंच 11-12 तक कर लो. एंड I eat lots of vegetables. I'm a vegetarian, and morning I eat lots of fruits, and I have my green tea. And lunch and
Mm-hmm.
dinner के बीच में भी I eat a fruit or green tea or something.
Mm-hmm.
And dinner I cook myself whenever I get time. So yeah.
So, I have, as I said, yes, I was on your profile, so I saw that your house has a lot of plants. So are you fond of gardening, or is that someone else in your house who's made that garden for you?
No, 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 no. I have designed this house of Pune. Uh, I
Oh,
am also into interior designing, but I have done only designing in my house. So yeah, can I show you my small garden?
please, 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 you can.
Okay, how to? I
You
mean,
just
how do
carry
I?
the phone. You just
Okay,
carry the phone, and
there is no
you can.
option for back. Oh yeah, yeah, I have got the option.
Yeah, there is an option. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nice. Miniature plants, and the big ones are also there. Nice.
So I need to bring more plants. I'm a plant parent as well. I love plants.
All right, that's really nice. A lot of clean air in your house then, natural clean air. वैसे ही people say Pune has a very good air quality in terms of the clean and cleanliness and greenery.
Yeah,
But
very true.
yeah, been to Pune
I
quite
like
a
the
few
idea
times, but
that they give so much of clean air, oxygen, and something is growing with us. We are watering them, and in return, they are giving us clean air, oxygen, and peace and positivity. So I love that idea that, yeah, there are so many, plants are living with me. I'm not just alone, I'm
yeah.
taking care of them.
Exactly, exactly. I think what you just said, you just gave a nice term, plant parent. This is very important. People are into animals, people are into a lot of things, but being plant parent is also very important. And keeping a plant, maintaining it is less tedious than maintaining, a pet like a dog or a cat. So you
I
just
have
have to
a
give
dog
them
also,
love.
but I cannot cope up with the activeness, the dog, the beagle dog. Oh my God, I couldn't cope up with his activities. He was so active, so active. And then I'm always fond of plants. I love plants.
Yeah. So yes, even personally asked you about this garden thing because I am a little fond of greenery myself. So I would call myself a mountain person rather than a beach person because of the greenery part. So
Me
that's the
too. I'm
reason
a
why you're.
mountain person as well. And since the lockdown, I have noticed so many people. They're bringing plants in the house since the lockdown.
Yes, yes. Because of course, yes, everybody needs cleanliness and clean air. That the plants clean the air the way they do it, nobody else does it. Not even the air purifiers that we have made nowadays with the help of technology. But yes, I would say that's a very nice thing, and yes, you can um, proudly say being a plant parent that it is something that you're doing special for the ecology, and that's really nice. So let me just ask you, people always think this is one thing about notion about your industry. आपने भी बीच में बोला था कि people think that people who are from the entertainment industry or the television media industry, or rather the people who are on the screen, the models, the actors, they're a little narcissist. What do you think about that? कहाँ तक ये बात सच है?
I think I mentioned that. Yeah. See, it depends on individual nature. जिसका जैसा नेचर है वो वैसे रहेगा. इंडस्ट्री में
Hmm.
रहो ना रहो, थोड़ा फेम मिलने से या ज्यादा फेम मिलने से वो उनके ईगो पे क्या इफेक्ट करेगा वो खुद डिसाइड करते हैं. उनको लगता है ओके ईगो दिखाने से इट हेल्प्स, then maybe it helps them. But I think being a narcissist won't help you in long term.
That's very true. I would certainly support your answer in that case. Being narcissist never does help because narcissism, of course, is a negative quality. So how can it help?
Exactly.
Right.
Very
So
true.
every part in the world we have people who support us, people who love us, people who encourage us, and on the other side we have our critics. So tell me, how do you react? How do you handle criticism? And of course, being a person who has that big of a fan following, or rather net internet following, you would get a lot of comments. Tell me, how do you handle all those things? Because आई नो जब लोग कमेंट करते हैं वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि what are they writing and what could be the repercussions of it, what could the other person feel, and all those things. They just write because they have the ability to write. So how do you handle it and how do you feel about it?
See, I think it's their perception, it's their outlook towards whatever things are going. It's their उनकी मेंटालिटी उतनी ही है जो नेगेटिविटी फैलाते हैं या बैड कमेंट करते हैं या क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, तो वो उनको दर्शाता है कि वो किस तरह के इंसान है. What we are doing, we know what we are doing, on what path we are walking. So I don't get affected much by. मैं इनिशियली होती थी, I used to think a lot, ये क्या हो गया, ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं, I'm doing my best. But then I realized with time that not everybody can, appreciate what you're doing. There are so many people who get inspired by me. So look at those people जो तुम्हारी अप्रिशिएशन करते हैं, तुमको देख के इंस्पायर होते हैं, ना कि वो लोग जो तुम्हें क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. वो लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए दूसरों को क्रिटिसाइज करके ही ये करते हैं. तो मैं हर चीज पॉजिटिव में लेती हूँ, अभी सीख रही हूँ, आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. तो या इट डजंट मैटर टू
It's
मच.
always good to be a learner, and I would say we all are learning. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जो ये कह सकता है कि I am all done, मेरी learning हो चुकी है. So it's very nice, and I think that attitude of yours keeps you going further. कि जहाँ भी हम ये कहें कि I'm still learning, I'm still growing. That's very nice. एक बहुत ही I would say I kind of don't know how to frame this question right, but people often relate beauty with color. What are your thoughts about it? Because globally, yes, the scenario is changing. हम देख रहे हैं कि scenario change हो रहा है. But India में अभी भी आपको क्या लगता है कि is this still prevalent and how can we overcome this thing?
Yeah, it is prevalent when only matrimonial things come up. गोरी लड़की चाहिए, need a fair, slim girl. अभी वो परसेप्शन चेंज हो रहा है बिकॉज नाउ सोसाइटी भी चेंज हो रही है अपना. ब्यूटी इज come in all colors, in all shapes, in all sizes. Yes, it's not just gory, slim, sundar. ये सब myth है, and it doesn't, it's not right because what we are, ये सब भगवान ने हमें दिया है, तो we should accept that. तो हमारे अंदर के जो क्वालिटीज है, जो गुण है, उनको देखना चाहिए ज्यादा. Yeah, now I think globally it's changing. There's so many big brands, now they are promoting, uh, you know, darker colors or other sex or, different things, whatever is
The third
coming up.
gender and all, yes.
Yes,
definitely.
very true.
So, what advice of body positivity would you give or self-love would you give to the younger generation that is watching you right now? The generation which will probably come to take on the world in a few moments or in a few years down the line. कि जब बाहर जाते हैं, of course इन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा consciousness इस चीज़ की होती है. So I'll just share an example. हम कई बार इन्हें बोल देते हैं एक वीडियो शूट करना है या एक कुछ फोटो क्लिक करके भेजिए. So they are very conscious about it. So what kind of a body positivity or self-love advice would you give to them?
See, few years ago, even I was not comfortable in my own skin. I used to think I'm not perfect. Oh, ये थोड़ा कम है, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा है. फिर धीरे धीरे जब जैसे हम लोग इवॉल्व होते हैं, देन वी रियलाइज कि फिजिकल चीजें इतनी मैटर नहीं करती है दुनिया में, जितनी मैटर करती है अपनी मेंटालिटी, अपना एटीट्यूड. सो मैं यही एडवाइस दूंगी, जो भी शेप में तुम हो, जो भी स्किन कलर तुम्हारा है, उसे एक्सेप्ट करो, उसे तुम प्यार करो, तो दुनिया भी प्यार करेगी. बट ऑफ कोर्स तुम्हें खुद को संवारना है, तुम्हें खुद को तराशना है. यू हैव टू डू दैट हार्डवर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, कि जो भी शेप साइज तुम है, उसी को तुम संवारो, उसी को तुम और अच्छा बनाओ. सो yeah, you should accept yourself, you should love yourself, then only the world will love you back.
All right, that's really nice. I think some of your fans are here and they are constantly asking me to आपको मैं एक फरमाइश करूं कि please act something for us, something that you have already done, something from the past or your older films. If you can just do a small gag for us, I think that will be really nice.
Well, I have acted in one Telugu, one Tamil movie. and in Kahin Hai Mera Pyar movie was a cameo role. I have done one Jhol Jhal movie, which is Marathi, which is yet to come because of this pandemic lockdown. It is not yet released because the producer wants to release on in theaters. And the movie which I will be shooting is Back to School. Like a few scenes are done, so the dialogues are in Marathi. So how do I do it?
You can do it in Marathi. I understand Marathi. I'm born and brought up in Nagpur, Maharashtra. I'll translate it for them.
Oh, wow, wow. So this dialogue is to my lover. I'm a teacher. I'm playing a role of a teacher, and he is my uh, colleague in school. So I just tell them, ki, did you talk to your parents at home? How about the marriage? When you're gonna take the step ahead for this relationship? Because in school it's not very easy to meet up, but still we meet up. Students tease us. Students कुछ भी लिखते हैं बोर्ड पे, तो मैं वो डायलॉग बोलती हूँ. उनका हाथ पकड़ के कुछ डायलॉग रिसेंटली अभी स्क्रिप्ट आई है तो.
All right, action.
ठरवलं की नाही तुम्ही अजून काही? अहो, शाळेत काय बोलता येत नाही म्हणून असं बाहेर भेटावं लागतं. तुम्ही बघितलं स्टुडंट्स काय बोलतात ते आपल्याबद्दल? काही पण लिहिता फळ्यावर. तुम्ही बोलणी करून घ्या आताच्या आता तुमच्या घरात. So this is like you should talk to your parents at home.
Yeah.
And
So you have decided
students
something or not? For your Telugu fans, please tell the name of your Telugu movie and I'll translate it to them because they are asking where is the translator. So मैं अपना भी role play करता हूँ, but before that, please tell them.
It's not released yet. So the entire movie, yeah, it is stuck somewhere in distributor something. So that was like 4 years ago. So
okay.
Yeah.
So still you can tell them the name so that once it releases, they'll know, okay, yearly movie, we can go and watch it. Because we have a lot of Telugu students.
Way. So I just know few dialogues like Annam Tinnava, like did you eat your food?
Oh.
And they used to call me Bangaram in at the location because I used to think why they're calling me Bangar. What is Bangar? Then no, they said Bangaram is gold, like gold.
All right.
Bangaram.
So that's really nice. So for those people who did not understand Marathi, let me just quickly reiterate what Isha just said as a dialogue. So she started with, have you decided something? You know how difficult it is to meet. So that's why we have to meet outside. And you saw what students write on the blackboard. And that is the entire conversation. And I would certainly say this is one movie that the school, Back to School, that everyone, this topic is very close to heart. No matter for the teachers, for the students, whatever you are. Whenever we say school, we have a gleam in our eyes. School. So that's really nice. And so tell me, you must be getting a lot of scripts or you must be doing a lot of auditions to get the roles and to get the work. How do you make a decision कि चलो ये वाला करते हैं and ये audition देने का मेरा ज़्यादा मन है, yeah, this is something that I really look forward to do. How do you decide those things?
See, when the audition says need very bold scene, needs this and that, I said I am not interested. And recently I've gave audition for a web series. The role not requires any bold scenes or something like that. They only need dancing skills and good acting. So yeah, the decision is yet to come. So let's see. It's a web series movie.
Oh, so it's an OTT platform movie. That's really nice. So how do you think? I mean, when you have started in 2015, at that time OTT was not that big of a platform. 2015 में OTT को शायद ही कोई इतना जानता था. There was Netflix, but people used to consider it as a premium product. कि चलो भाई Netflix and all that. So what do you think? With OTT becoming that popular in India, do you think the opportunities have increased or do you think the competition has increased? What is more?
Opportunities, of course, because we say nepotism है, ये है, वो है, but नहीं, अभी OTT आने से सबको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती है, सबको मिल भी रही है. देयर सो मेनी आउटसाइडर्स हु आर डूइंग गुड इन एक्टिंग एंड डांसिंग एंड ऑल.
Hmm. That's
बट
true.
ओटीटी आने से जो मूवीज थिएटर में रिलीज होने वाली थी ना, उनका थोड़ा सा दे आर स्टक. देयर सो
That's
मेनी
very
मूवीज
true.
बिकॉज ओटीटी पूरा नया है. थिएटर वाले रिलीज के लिए वैसा ही मूवी बनाते, वही कैमरा होता है, सब कुछ वैसे ही होता है. और
Right.
जिस तरह का वो मतलब प्रोडक्शन में जिस तरह का इन्वेस्ट करते हैं मनी, तो ओटीटी उसमें उसको ओटीटी में डालना, इट्स लाइक पूरा सब कुछ चेंज करना होता है उनको. सो दैट्स बट नाउ आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज अकॉर्डिंग टू ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म. Everybody shooting movies or web series or whatever according to OTT. I think so.
That's very true. Because at the end of the day, theater से भी आने के बाद वो movie OTT पे release होती है, and then there is a lot of stuff on it for OTT as well. So I think yes.
But don't you think सचिन की जो थिएटर में जाके हम टिकट लेके जो मूवी देखते हैं एंड देन ब्रेक में हम पॉपकॉर्न लेते हैं, वो एसेंस नहीं खत्म होना चाहिए.
That's very true. I think वो 3 घंटे जो हम थिएटर में जाते हैं and we spend time, we are not answering phone calls, we're just watching a movie and we are having food. थोड़ा बहुत मजाक चल रहा है, आसपास वालों को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, कौन इमोशनल सीन में रो रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, and there is a child crying in the theater. I think that's a
Yeah,
special thing. That is
yeah.
something that you know often people, मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन ही इसलिए पूछा था because often people say sir OTT is so nice, we can watch a movie anytime. And I tell them, watching a movie in theater is something
Hmm.
altogether different.
इट्स अ
And
डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. ओटीटी में वो मूवी को जस्टिस नहीं मिल सकता, मुझे ऐसे लगता है वो जस्टिस नहीं मिल पाता, बिकॉज देयर सो मेनी पीपल हु पुट देयर हार्डवर्क इन मेकिंग वन प्रोडक्शन. जो पूरा डालते हैं उसमें, जो पूरी हार्डवर्क सबकी होती है, वो ओटीटी
right.
में हम स्टॉप करते देखते, आधी मूवी आज देखते, आधी कल देखते, पता नहीं कब देखते हैं.
I
तो इट्स
remember someone told me that why don't you watch? I'm a Will Smith fan, so किसी ने मुझे बोला Bad Boys for Life is available on Amazon Prime, and I am a die-hard Bad Boys fan because last I saw the first part in my college days. So I said no, I'm not watching it on OTT. I'm not watching it at all on OTT because वो मजा ही नहीं आता. You can't get that feel of that movie. So just imagine आप Avengers Endgame देख रहे हो और OTT पे देख रहे हो, वो मजा ही नहीं आना है, वो
वो
3D
जो
इफेक्ट्स ही नहीं
3D
आने.
इफेक्ट वो नहीं आता. दिस मूवी क्वाइट प्लेस. क्वाइट प्लेस
Yeah, yes.
उसका सेकेंड पार्ट शायद थिएटर्स में आएगा, राइट? क्या आ चुका है? आई डोंट नो.
I have not been following
आई
theaters or
थिंक वॉच
rather
दैट
movies
मूवी
often.
ऑन ओटीटी मोबाइल, या वो जो बड़े स्क्रीन पे देखने का जो मजा है ना, वो इट्स ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, कि तुम जस्टिस करते हो उस मूवी को और अपने टाइम को भी.
That's true. That's very
यू
true.
आर रियली
And you
एंटरटेन्ड.
enjoy. You
यू
enjoy. That's
एंजॉय. यू आर एंटरटेन इन ट्रू सेंस.
very true. I think you come out, you're in the bliss of that movie. आधा पौना घंटा सिर्फ वो मूवी की ही बातें चलती है कि अरे वो सीन में ऐसा था, वो सीन में ऐसा. ओटीटी पे हम क्या करते हैं, हम देख रहे होते हैं, सडनली किसी ने आवाज दी, हम बंद करते हैं, अच्छा चलो हम कुछ और करने लग गए. So we
एग्जैक्टली.
forget the movie. So I think that's true. And there is a question by one of the people on live ki, what do you think? Is regional language cinema taking over or rather giving hard competition to Hindi cinema nowadays? What do you think?
इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. सी, रीजनल मूवीज अपनी अपनी जगह है, बॉलीवुड अपनी जगह है, ग्लोबल जो मूवीज है अपनी जगह है, बिकॉज एवरी कंट्रीज की जो लैंग्वेज होती है उनकी उनकी सब अपनी अपनी मूवीज बनाते हैं. बट देन यस, आई थिंक बॉलीवुड एंड हॉलीवुड दे रूल बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉपुलैरिटी. उनको बड़ा उनका बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, बड़ा सब कुछ होता है. बट रीजनल
Right.
मूवीज भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अभी. जैसे बॉलीवुड में तो हर मूवी कॉपी होती है तेलुगु या तमिल की. तो
Well, you can't complain about it. The movies are
नो
that
नो,
damn
इट्स
good,
नॉट
I think.
कंप्लेनिंग. बट देन रीजनल से ही तो वो स्टोरी स्क्रिप्ट आता है. तो आई थिंक यस, रीजनल मूवीज दे डू बेटर बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टेट, द कल्चर, द लैंग्वेज. जो लोग वहाँ
That's
के
true.
रहते हैं, वो हिट हो
That's
जाता
very
है, वो
true.
चलने लगता है, तो फिर उसकी कॉपी बन जाती है.
And I quite believe that you see a lot of good talent in regional movies.
ये
I
मैं
I
बताती
don't
हूँ
know.
रीजनल मूवीज में टैलेंट देखते हैं, मतलब उसको, उसके पास सच में कुछ है, एक्टिंग स्किल्स देखते हैं. बट बॉलीवुड में ज्यादा ग्लैमर ज्यादा होता है, ग्लैमर एंड सॉन्ग्स एंड यू नो देयर आर अदर थिंग्स लाइक विजुअली अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. बट रीजनल मूवीज आर लाइक दे हैव सब्सटेंस इन देम, दे हैव दैट कंटेंट जो होता है उस पे ज्यादा फोकस किया जाता है.
That's very true. And I think Bollywood over the period of time has also realized that they have to come back to realistic cinema. And many of them, like recently I was reading about the Bhatt house, the production house being divided because Mahesh Bhatt says, I'm not interested in making rich people more rich. I want to do
Hmm.
real cinema. So I think that's
Hmm.
a good move that Bollywood also comes back to the original art cinema that was once Bollywood's very important area. So I think
Hmm.
that is very important. So, given a choice, what would you pick? Commercial success or critical reviews?
Uh, it, see, both are important at their places, but it depends.
Okay.
Yeah, my Tamil movie was more on a social message than
Mhm.
commercial. It wasn't a commercial movie, but yes, Jholjal, this Marathi movie, it's commercial movie. It's a full,
Mhm.
comedy genre movie. So
Okay.
yeah.
I think it's really important. Both of them are important. But if I have to ask you a pick, like you said in the beginning, I got inspired from Madhuri Dixit and Aishwarya Rai. So if I have to ask you to take a pick as an actor, or rather as a successful actor between a Madhuri Dixit or a Nandita Das, what would your pick be, and who would you be more inclined towards?
It's a tough, very tough question. But yes, Madhuri Dixit also have done some amazing movies.
Definitely, fantastic.
Nandita Das is a altogether different talent. She is very talented. Oh my God. But yeah, Madhuri Dixit is a full package of talent, skill, and glamour, everything. So
Yes, yes, you indeed
her
are right.
dancing skills are unmatchable. Nobody could match what Madhuri Dixit can do, the steps like all the adai and all. Oh my God, she is the best.
Of course, yes. One of the best and one of the pillars of the industry right now. And
Yes.
I was just over the last weekend, I was watching her show, Dance Divane or Dance Dil Se, something like that on TV.
Hmm.
She's still so gracious, and she was
Yes.
there on the stage for one small time, enacting the song from Hera Fairy, and I just was looking at her, and my family was like, "What is it?" I said, "It's Madhuri Dixit. I can't help it." So that's Madhuri Dixit for all of us. And trust me, we all have seen her as kids. We have grown up watching her movies. So definitely, she is one iconic actor for us. But yes,
See what I
um,
told you? See, beauty doesn't last. Age, we all age, but aging graceful is a work of your soul, is a work of your mind. So
that's very
everybody will
true.
get wrinkles, everybody will get old. You won't have that strong body, but then what you can really maintain it is with your heart, with your passion, with your grace. That is
That's
all
very
will
true.
matter.
Right, that's very true. Okay, so once again, there are many people they are saying, sir, we need a recap. Please tell her upcoming projects to us so that we can follow her projects, and once they are on air, so we can just go and watch her on the screen. So please go ahead.
Jholjal, unfortunately, because of pandemic, it's got stuck. The producer is thinking of OTT, releasing it onto OTT, but then he's not getting a good deal. I
Mm-hmm.
spoke to him last was 3 months ago, कि sir, when our movie will release, and he's still trying. I don't know when theaters will get, everything will get opened,
That's
and
true.
I'll be shooting for Back to School again on from 11th
Mm-hmm.
of this month, and I have done few scenes, and then lockdown happened in April. April was the shoot started, and then lockdown, second lockdown, and then I went to my hometown and 2 months. Again, there was a gap of 2 and 3 months. Now everything is resuming now. So yeah,
Mhm.
these are my upcoming projects, and I'm giving audition for other projects as well. So that's all for me for this moment.
All right. So I think viewers, you already have the new clear update on what are her upcoming projects. Please keep following her and keep checking her out in the new project. And yes, people are saying we'll be waiting for that. We'll be waiting for the releases. So that's really nice. I wonder how many of them actually understand Marathi. चलो मुझे तो आती है, but I wonder how many of my students do. But
Only
trust me,
Maharashtrian people. Are you live in Mumbai?
no, I don't live in Mumbai. I am born and brought up in Nagpur, Maharashtra. I'm currently working with LPU at Punjab. So,
So
yes,
Punjabi
I know
answer.
Marathi. Punjabi भी आंदी है, Marathi भी
What?
आंदी है. I know both the languages. Thanks to my bloodline, I am a Punjabi, and thanks to my
Oh,
motherland, I am a Maharashtrian by language as well. So,
oh, that's
I,
really nice. तो मुझे
I can, yes,
yes, yes,
please
please
go ahead.
continue. You go ahead.
I said I can call myself the son of Maharashtra who can speak Punjabi very well.
Oh wow, that's commendable.
Thank you.
Because
You were saying something.
very few Maharashtrians can know to how to speak Punjabi or I can speak Marwadi, Punjabi
Hmm.
little, थोड़ी और yeah, English Hindi तो common ही है. And little bit Telugu. When I was doing that movie, I could understand, but now I forgot everything because Telugu Tamil is one of the toughest languages. South Indian languages are tough, very tough.
They have an
And
altogether different
that
writing.
tone, it comes into the English language also. Like, yeah, it's very tough, huh? It's very tough. I'm telling you, it's very tough. So it's like that.
Yes, definitely. And I understand that very well because as I said, हमारे पास we have a huge number of students coming from South India, and
Hmm.
we don't feel the difference because when they are speaking, for me it's like being in Maharashtra, you see a lot of South Indians around, so I never felt very odd with their accent, but yes, people here they feel very odd. Ki, how do they speak? I was like, it's normal. That's how they speak. So that's really nice. And speaking of Punjabi, I think you should learn Punjabi because Punjabi movies are doing pretty good for
Oh,
themselves. And
really?
yes, you must watch
मेरी
some good
सिफारिश
Punjabi
कर दो
movies.
आप.
Definitely, I think we have a lot of people here. They follow and they are constantly interacting with some Punjabi stars here. हमारे students there, they keep following and interacting with them. So you can tell them that, guys, help us, help her out, and let her
Guys,
find
please
a Punjabi offer as well.
help me in getting a Punjabi movie, a lead role in Punjabi movie. And people do tell me that I look like Punjabi because of my height and personality. They ask me, "Are you Punjabi? Okay. Are you from Delhi? Okay. Are you from South?" Because yeah, some say, "Are you from Christian? Are you from Mexico?" Like when I traveled internationally, nobody called me Indian because the way I dress, it's according to the country or the religion. So people
Right.
really get confused. They can never get my original, what I am.
That's really nice. You can camouflage very well in every place.
Yeah, yeah, true.
So that's really nice. Okay, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछूंगा. आपके एक फैन ने मुझसे पूछा है, पूछने के लिए कहा है कि let's say you get an offer from RGV and an offer from Imtiaz Ali. What is the first pick that you're going to have?
Imtiaz Ali.
इम्तियाज अली. मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था और इससे पहले मुझे आंसर में ही गेस कर रहा था कि आप इम्तियाज अली बोलोगे, बट
Yeah.
that's your answer. So thank you for the question. And just a parting shot that I would say, what message would you like to give for our votos कि they would carry this message out of this session?
This session, okay, whatever dreams you have, whatever goals you have set, whatever you want to do in life, just don't rush away. Just take baby steps. छोटे छोटे स्टेप से ही वो बड़ा ये बनता है अपनी गोल की तरफ। तो मैंने भी बहुत रश रश किया, ऐसे नहीं होता है। यू शुड टेक बेबी स्टेप्स इन टुवर्ड्स योर गोल, and you can only work on yourself. You cannot change the world, only you can only change yourself. So work on yourself. जो करना है वो हमें ही करना है, कोई हमारे लिए नहीं करेगा। अगर आप बोलते हैं ना काबिल बनते जाओगे, रास्ता पकड़ोगे, तो फिर रास्ते से रास्ते मिलेंगे, जुड़ेंगे, लोग मिलेंगे जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे। सो बस, और ईट क्लीन, एक्सरसाइज every like at
That's
least thrice a
important.
week.
That's very important.
That really works for me, because if I don't metabolism, just don't feel like I'm living. Workout is like my drug, my addiction. I work out like every day, almost every day.
That's
And
really
I eat
nice.
home cooked food. घर का खाना खाओ। मैं बाहर का एक दिन खाती हूँ तो मेरे को लगता है अरे कुछ कुछ तो गलत खा लिया। कितना भी अच्छा हो तो घर का खाना खाओ। और मैंने चाणक्य का एक मैंने पढ़ा था कि तुम्हें अगर हेल्थ चाहिए तो जबान का टेस्ट भूल जाओ। मतलब
बिल्कुल
हर
सही
टेस्टी
है.
चीज, चटपटी चीज खाना है ऐसे, वो भूल जाओ अगर तुम्हें हेल्थ चाहिए तो। यू शुड ईट व्हाट्स हेल्दी फॉर यू।
That's very true. That's very true. And I think Isha ma'am, it was really really nice talking to you. I think हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने भी काफी एंजॉय किया होगा आपकी मल्टी टैलेंटेड मल्टी फैसेटेड पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बात करके. आई डोंट नो, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मुझे तो यही पता था कि चलो यू आर अ पैजेंट मल्टीपल पैजेंट विनर एंड एन एक्ट्रेस. फिर पता चला अच्छा यू आर अ डाइटिशियन, यू आर अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, आपने ये भी किया है, यू आर इनटू इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग. And हमने इतनी सारी बातें की, and we saw your garden as well. It was wonderful talking to you. And I must say कि we'll be looking forward that if we can have you offline at the university campus also in future. It will be a
Yeah,
pleasure
sure.
to see you there and meet you in person. So thank you so
Yeah,
much.
same here. Even I enjoyed the session a lot. It was like very friendly. Yeah. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Sachin.
so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much,
And
everyone, for joining us today.
yes, thank you so much, everyone. And do keep following Isha on Instagram, and do keep checking her new posts and her new movies that are coming up. So please do keep yourself connected with her. And yes, follow her advice. Eat clean, work out every day. With that, I think we can come to the end of this session. Thank you so much, Isha. Thank you so much for joining us. And it was
Thank
really a
you,
pleasure
Sachin.
to have you as a guest here. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you, Sachin.